Ratan Tata's revenge story. A lesson in grace and strength. Ratan Tata is one of India's most respected businessmen. He is the former chairman of the Tata Group, a large business group with companies in many industries like steel, cars, hotels, and it. He is known for his honesty, kindness, and vision. But behind his calm and humble nature lies a powerful story of quiet revenge, a story that teaches us that success is the best answer to insult. This is the story of how Ratan Tata took smart revenge on the American car company Ford, not by anger or violence, but through intelligence, patience, and dignity. The beginning of Tata Motors' dream. In the 1990s, Tata Motors was mainly making trucks and commercial vehicles. Ratan Tata had a dream. He wanted Tata Motors to make passenger cars for Indian families. Many people doubted him, saying, "Indians can't make good cars." But Ratan Tata believed in India and its people. So, Tata Motors worked hard and launched the Tata Indica in 1998, India's first indigenously designed car. Unfortunately, Indica didn't do well in the beginning. Sales were low, and the company was losing money. Many people criticized the decision. And even some of Tata's own board members suggested selling the car business. Ratan Tata was disappointed, but he agreed to look for a buyer. The humiliation at Ford. Tata Motors began talks with Ford Motors, the American automobile giant. In 1999, Ratan Tata and his team flew to the US to meet with Ford's top executives. The idea was to sell Tata's car business to Ford. But the meeting did not go well. The Ford executives were arrogant and disrespectful. One of them even said, "You do not know anything about cars. Why did you even start the car business?" Another added, "We are doing you a favor by buying your company." Ratan Tata was hurt and humiliated. He did not reply with anger. He simply listened, stood up, and quietly left the meeting with his team. He flew back to India that same night. On the flight back, Ratan Tata made a decision. He would not sell Tata Motors. Instead, he would work even harder to make it succeed. This insult became his fuel for growth. The rise of Tata Motors. Back in India, Ratan Tata put his full energy into improving Tata Motors. The company redesigned the Indica and relaunched it with better features. This time, it was a hit. People loved that it was a car made in India, for Indians. Tata Motors kept growing. They launched new models and improved technology. Slowly, the company turned around and became profitable. The critics who once laughed at Ratan Tata were now silent. But Ratan Tata's story of quiet revenge was just getting started. The tables turn. Ford's crisis in 2008, a few years after Tata Motors had become successful, Ford was facing a crisis. Their luxury brands Jaguar and Land Rover were losing money. They wanted to sell both brands to cut their losses. Guess who came forward to buy them? Tata Motors. The same Ratan Tata who had once been insulted in Ford's office now had the chance to buy two of their most prestigious car brands. This time, Ratan Tata and his team were welcomed by Ford with respect. Bill Ford, the chairman of Ford Motors, said something that surprised everyone. "You are doing us a big favor by buying Jaguar and Land Rover." Yes, the same words Ford had once used to insult Ratan Tata were now being said with humility and gratitude. In 2008, Tata Motors bought Jaguar and Land Rover for $2.3 billion. Many people thought Tata was taking a big risk. But once again, Ratan Tata proved everyone wrong. The success of Jaguar Land Rover under Tata's leadership, Jaguar and Land Rover made an amazing comeback. Ratan Tata gave the brands freedom to innovate, and he didn't interfere in their creativity. He supported their ideas, invested in technology, and focused on quality. Within a few years, Jaguar and Land Rover became profitable. They launched new cars that were successful around the world. Tata Motors became a respected name in the global automobile industry. This wasn't just business, it was personal. It was a full circle moment for Ratan Tata. A revenge story without anger. The story is often called Ratan Tata's Revenge, but it was not about revenge in the usual way. He did not shout or insult anyone. He didn't fight with fought. Instead, he focused on his work, improved his business, and let success speak for him. That is the beauty of Ratan Tata's character. He turned an insult into inspiration. He taught us that you don't need to be loud to win. You don't need to fight with words when you can fight with action and results. He proved that dignity and determination can achieve more than anger ever will. The lesson Ratan Tata's story teaches us many lessons. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Don't give up when things go wrong. Stay calm when people insult or mock you. Work hard and let your success be your voice. He once said, ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going. Because a straight line even in an ECG means we are not alive. Ratan Tata is not just a businessman. He is a role model. His story is proof that good people, with great vision and strong values, can create history.